Alright, this is gonna be the Palm elevator here at the Safety Harbor Resort. Safety Harbor, Florida, and oh my gosh. I can't believe what I just found. I think I just found an original Lexan here. I really hope this thing's original on the inside. Please be. Here's a look at the cab. Otisito. Ah! Boo. They frickin' modded it. I'm willing to bet the controller's probably original, but that sucks. It's probably had the Nixie tube indicator, judging by where the piece of metal is. Here we are on one. You got a replacement call button here. I'm guessing this is probably what the Aethena elevator used to look like. Alright, let's go up to 4. Motor sounds replaced, but the controller is definitely original. Look at that button. If only it were still the same as that on the inside. Alright, down to 1. Get a cab view. Just a basic. Pretty much the cab's the exact same as the other ones. You going up? What floor?
2.
2? Don't mind me, I'm just an elevator geek.
That's okay. No problem.
You have a wonderful day.
You too.
Not an AD phone. I'm thinking this is probably a 90s mod. And you know what, while I'm up here, we'll get a little view from up here. There's me, hello. And here's a view out from the top floor. Not a whole lot to really see from up here. Get a look at a hallway. It's a pretty nice hotel. This is a trademark collection Wyndham property. Let's see if we can get a view from over here. Nah, we can't. Oh well. All right, Let's head down. There's your older Otis interlock. Okay, we'll go down to 1. Oof, and it just jumped a bit and then dropped down. This thing doesn't seem to be in the greatest condition. I'm gonna send it up and we'll listen to the motor from down here. Ices. Let's listen. She's still relay controlled, but yeah, that pump is definitely replaced. Palm Pavilion. To leisure, tiki bar, or grill. And here it is. And we'll end the video on the 2nd floor. We are on 2. And there it goes. That'll be it.